Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, as I am. And by the way guys, thank you so much. I've said this for so many times. Thank you because you already hit 1k subscribers. We already met the minimum requirement on YouTube for us to get monetized, and thank you. I know I wouldn't have made this far without you guys. The fact is that we did hit this long time ago, but I forgot to announce, not because that I don't recognize your effort and your great support, because if I were by myself, honestly I wouldn't have come this far. Thank you so much. But sometimes we get overwhelmed by so many things, but bado tunasonga, and thank you for still coming back again. So guys, hii channel yetu inakuanga serious most of the time. Yeah, we talk about business and money, but tunasonga. So the thing is guys, in our today's video I will be talking about something called Pinduoduo, wherever it is. And guys, this is an online shopping platform, and I know I have used this platform for some time. And this video was, by the way, this video was highly influenced by a post that I saw on Facebook, in a Facebook group, and someone was asking about Pinduoduo, what does it entail, and can someone buy from that platform? So I'm here to tackle that. And so guys, I know it's been quite some time since I used Pinduoduo. When I was living back in China, I used to do a lot of my shopping from Pinduoduo, and I was buying from Pinduoduo and this other app, Taobao. Yeah, Taobao. And I don't know why most of the time I found myself buying from Pinduoduo. Reason being, maybe because I found the items to be much way down cheaper as compared to Taobao. So maybe that was the reason as to why, though I've never done a very good comparison between the two apps, but that is it. Let's go to my phone and see what we can learn about Pinduoduo. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe, and also you can comment. Let me know what more videos do you want to see. Let's go. So guys, as you can see over here on my phone, I've got 4 apps here displayed. We have WeChat, we have Taobao, we have Instagram, and the fourth one, this is the Pinduoduo. So I'm going to open it, and there it is. So sorry guys, it's taking some time to load due to network issues, but it's opening. So guys, once you open the app, this is the home page, and you can see it's displaying different items. It is displaying different items, and I know most of you probably they are afraid because all you can see here, it's all in the Chinese language, and of course language becomes a challenge, but there is always a loophole on how to go about it. For example, I can come here, you can see over here we have the search box, and probably I can talk of ladies dresses, and from there you can see it's able to display a number of dresses. You can see different designs and different prices. However, this is what I say: if you come and you're looking for a dress and you are not able to translate and write it in Chinese, the Chinese language, then the good thing that I would say, it's always good to have a picture in mind, or probably in your gallery you've got a picture. And guys, actually before we go down there, I want you guys to know what is Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo, as I said before, it's an online shopping platform, and on this platform, actually it has over 400 million users. And the good thing with this platform is that they usually know MOQ, because actually most it is used by the local Chinese for their, for their personal use. And when guys we talk about importation, Pinduoduo is one of the third largest e-commerce platform in China, and therefore there's no option or excuse for us not learning more about it. And guys, according to research which has been done in the year 2020, it is said that over 640 million individuals, they do make use of this platform on a monthly basis. This is to tell you what, this is a widely used platform. And guys, as you can see, look at those dresses. When you go to dresses, you can see they've got variety of designs that suits various individuals taste. And on this platform, it has, by the way, it has variety of products. It's only that I did search for dresses. And if we were to check on other items, you'll see they have varieties and varieties of them. And these products can range from fashion, household items, electronics, and so on. For example, guys, let's assume I want to look for something like what, I don't know if this is the right name to search for, but with this it's going to give us varieties. Definitely it brought us something. You can see we have the earphones and the headphones, varieties. And the fact that because this website or this app, it's written in Chinese, every time that you are going to write it in English, probably you are searching for a pair of trousers, a pair of shoes, it is not going to bring as many varieties as you would want it to be too. So what is the secret here? This is what I do, and this is what I was doing back in China. I go to my gallery. Once I go to my gallery, I have got varieties of products in here. So probably I would decide to go for what? I would decide to go for probably this one. I don't know what this is. It was just in my gallery. So this is an extra. It's an air flyer. So then this it's going to scan for me. You can see this app is able to scan for me and give me the variety of product. And you see the same product or similar product comes here, and it has variety of colors and design. For example, look at this one, the first one, the green one. It costed 214 yuan, Chinese yuan. We have another one, 131. Maybe probably you can decide to open on one of them. Sorry, my phone is a bit slow. So once we open it, you can see we have got 149 price, and also we've got 131. And let's see what it has. It also has the manuals, description, all that. There it is. And with this one, by the way, guys, you are able to see how many buyers have bought this item for you to decide whether it's a good item to go for or not. And on this platform also, people are able to send their reviews or the real picture of the product. On this particular one, there isn't one. So if I were you, I wouldn't go for that one. I'll go down. Probably, let me try something else. I can come here and look for a water bottle. Let's see how much it is. You see, it's bringing me the varieties. We have 11 yuan, we have 9 yuan. I don't know how much it is costing in your country, but trust me, I'm pretty sure they are quite expensive. You have 4 yuan, you have 2.5. But for me, if I were you, this is what I say: don't go for them for the very cheap ones. For example, you see you've got 11 yuan here, 13 yuan, 4 yuan. I don't know why when I see it's way down, it doesn't make sense to me. We have another one which is at 73 yuan, 2 yuan. So for me, if I were you, I would go for like a middle kind price, which is not very high and it's not very low, but also it depends with you. But if you want something nice, please don't go for the very cheap ones. because they might end up frustrating. And anybody who knows about how China does its manufacturing, you know, we have different grades. And if you don't want to get frustrated, please, for example, you can go for this one, H21, and see how it is. It has pictures. Sorry, I guess my internet is slow. So you can have a look at this video, and I'm sorry I had to mute the music that was there because I didn't want to have some copyright issues. And on this platform you can see they are able to show you how the product works and how it is, which I believe having a video by this sometimes it really helps a lot. And sometimes you are able to see how the nature of the real product, but this one doesn't mean that this is what they are going to send you, so you should be careful. So you see, they're able to show you how the product looks like through a video. And I know, by the way, a video does help a lot. And coming down here, by the way, if you have Google Translator, it really helps a lot to understand which one are the reviews and what are the customers saying about the product, because the reviews really helps a lot. But this application, it's way down cheaper, as I said before, as compared to the other one. Let's assume I want to buy this product. Let me go for, you see, we have 23.9 and we have 22. Let me try 22. Let's see how it goes. Although I do not have cash on my WeChat. So this is the procedure. The next place you go, it's here where it is written 22.9. You want to buy it. And also you can specify with the number. You see here, you add, you want 3, you want 5, you want 10, you want 1. You play with this, the plus and the subtract button, and you can see as you add, the calculation is done automatically. You see, when we go there, sometimes you don't need to understand these things, by the way, guys. You see, you try things out. You see, like this one, they bling a different color. We go down there, they bling a different color. We go down there, we have the white one. You want to buy the 3 sets or all the 3 colors. They also have the calculated their own price and everything else, you see. So you are able to work with this that way. So if I want to buy, I'll go down there, and then it's going to take me all the way. It's going to take me all the way to where I'm supposed to pay, and then maybe we'll choose WeChat. And then I'll continue. Then it's going to deduct money from my WeChat. But guys, this is where I'm going to click 65.27 for the three items. But guys, I don't want to buy. Actually, I don't have money on my WeChat, so I will not proceed, because once I proceed, I'm not sure how to to go back about it. So guys, as you can see, this platform is so easy for you to buy. It's not difficult. But as you guys, you buy from this application, you are required to have an address. You are required to have an address in China. For example, you can see here it's written Nix, and we have my number over there. This was my former Chinese number, and then we also got the address, the one there written in Chinese. That is the address. So it is good that you have an address in China. For example, let's assume you are sending your goods to a warehouse. You'll have indicated your address, the warehouse address over there, and then the goods are going to be sent to that address. And then also in this case, for the phone number, you can probably use the number of the warehouse, because they're not based in China. And once these people send, we call them the Kuwaiti people, they send this product to whatever address you have indicated there, they will be calling you. So if you are in a foreign country like me, like now I'm in Kenya, then how are they going to contact you? So you can indicate the contact and the address of wherever your goods are going to go in China. So this platform is as easy as that. And if you guys, you've got any question or you need some help in setting WeChat or setting your address, you can leave a comment. You can leave a comment of the question on the comment section. So thank you so much, guys, for this video. Like the video, share and subscribe. See you next time.